How to share music on Instagram Notes. Hi guys, welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can do it easily. So first of all, let's start by opening our Instagram application. Once you have entered here, as you can see your notes, so I will simply click on that, and as you can see, add a song you like, so I will simply click on that to add my song. So now you can scroll down, or you can also search for music. So let's say you haven't received any kind of update regarding to your adding music in your Instagram notes. So what you have to do is to start by opening your Play Store and see if there is any update available regarding to your Snapchat. Simply search for that, and as you can see my app is up to date. So the next step is, all you can do is tap and hold on your Instagram and go for its apps info. Go for storage and cache, clear its cache and clear its storage as well. But before clearing its storage, make sure to remember its email and password, as it will reset the application. Once you are done with all of that, now you can simply click on that, and now click on your music you want and select any timeline of your music. Let's say you want the last part. Simply click on the tick, and there is your music added to your Instagram note. You can also add a little note, let's say testing music or something like that. So yeah, that's how basically you can share your music on Instagram notes.